From towering cascades deep in the jungle to iconic falls surrounded by stunning landscapes, these waterfalls are nature's most mesmerizing wonders. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or jaw-dropping scenery, these 15 must-visit waterfalls will leave you in awe. Nature. Top 15 breathtaking waterfalls you must visit. Angel Falls, Venezuela. The tallest waterfall in the world. Height, 3,212 feet, 979 meters. Located in Canaima National Park, Angel Falls is the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall, plunging from Ollantaytambo into the lush jungle below. Iguazu Falls, Argentina and Brazil. The most spectacular waterfall system. Height, 269 feet, 82 meters. This massive system of 275 waterfalls is a true natural wonder, creating a breathtaking panoramic view on the Argentina-Brazil border. Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe. The Smoke That Thunders, height 354 feet, 108 meters, one of the largest waterfalls in the world. Victoria Falls creates an awe-inspiring mist visible from miles away, with heart-pounding adventure activities nearby. Niagara Falls, Canada. Height 167 feet, 51 meters, a powerful and iconic waterfall. Niagara Falls attracts millions of visitors each year with its stunning views, boat tours, and vibrant city life. Plitvice Waterfalls, Croatia. Europe's fairy tale cascades. Height, various small waterfalls. Located in Plitvice Lakes National Park, these stunning turquoise waterfalls and lakes create a magical and peaceful setting in the heart of Croatia. Yosemite Falls, USA. One of North America's tallest height, 2,425 feet, 739 meters. Located in Yosemite National Park, this three-tiered waterfall is best seen in spring when the snowmelt creates a powerful cascade. Kayatur Falls, Guyana. A hidden South American gem. Height, 741 feet, 226 meters. Located deep in the Amazon rainforest, Kayatur Falls is one of the world's most powerful waterfalls, surrounded by pristine wilderness. Dachan Falls, China. Asia's largest transnational waterfall. Height, 98 feet, 30 meters. Set in a lush karst landscape, this beautiful multi-tiered waterfall flows between China and Vietnam, creating a dreamy natural wonder. Gullfoss, Iceland. The Golden Waterfall, height 105 feet, 32 meters. One of Iceland's most famous natural landmarks, this powerful two-tiered waterfall is a must-visit on the Golden Circle route. Havasu Falls, USA. The Hidden Blue Paradise, height 98 feet, 30 meters. Located in the Grand Canyon, this stunning blue-green waterfall is only accessible by hiking through the Havasupai tribal lands. Tugela Falls, South Africa. The second tallest waterfall in the world. Height, 3,110 feet, 948 meters. Found in the Drakensberg Mountains, Tugela Falls is a spectacular seasonal waterfall with breathtaking views from above. Seljalandsfoss, Iceland. The Walk Behind Waterfall, height 197 feet, 60 meters. One of Iceland's most unique waterfalls, Seljalandsfoss, allows visitors to walk behind the cascade for an unforgettable experience. Ban Joc Waterfall, Vietnam. A majestic border waterfall, height 98 feet, 30 meters. Located on the border of Vietnam and China, this incredible waterfall features multiple tiers and lush surroundings, making it a breathtaking sight. Sutherland Falls, New Zealand. A remote beauty height, 1,904 feet, 580 meters. One of New Zealand's most striking waterfalls, Sutherland Falls, is located in Fiordland National Park, accessible via the famous Milford Track. Skogafoss, Iceland. One of the most photogenic waterfalls, height, 200 feet, 60 meters. A mighty waterfall in Iceland, Skogafoss often creates stunning rainbows, making it one of the country's most photographed waterfalls. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Leave a comment below to share your favorite destination or where you'd like to go next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.